XRP holders, let's definitely talk about what is going on today with XRP. XRP coin has recently seen a lot of momentum ever since there was an update with the lawsuit, along with some other factors here. The overall market is doing pretty good. It looks like Ethereum has been kind of on the run as Bitcoin's kind of stabilizing a little bit more, sitting right around that $90,000 to $100,000 range. As you can see, XRP has currently seen a lot of moves recently. We had a good signal here and a good signal there, over a 5% gain very quickly. And currently our next trade is going to be up right around 3% so far. And that's just coming within the last 2 hours. That is some movement that we're starting to see on XRP. So therefore we do got to take a look at exactly what is causing it. We did have a bull flag kind of start here on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frames like I talked about in my previous content. Remember, if you guys haven't, checked that out along with the last video where I do talk about it going above that $1.63 range and then having that breakout period. If you do take a look at that, let me know what you guys think down below as well, as currently the overall market is just being stabilized, along with a lot of the cryptos currently starting to kind of rise and some kind of still being around what they would have been previously before the run. As of right now, XRP's movement has been tremendous. It's been overtaking a lot of these other cryptos, and it's been one of the top gainers that we have seen. It is also now number 5 on Coinbase, which is just amazing. That's showing that XRP does have potential, and I do think long term XRP is going to be a good crypto. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So make sure you do watch this until the end, as I'm going to cover exactly a little bit more of what I'm seeing here on XRP. So as I go back to XRP on the 4 hour chart here, you can kind of see how we started to have that bullish run within the last 24 hours as we had break that trend. I talked about this in my previous video, breaking this trend here, getting above this, and then seeing it kind of skyrocket back up. Whenever you do see that, you can tell that the volume has increased compared to the last few days. So right now the price change is up to a 1% an hour. Price change within just 1 day is 20% gain, and within the last 2 weeks you could have been up over 114%. If you would have gotten to this coin last year, you would have been up around 205%. So along with enough of that, the volume itself has been crazy, as $18 billion has seen a lot of movement today. Typical hold time is 85 days, popularity number 5. Getting closer to that all-time high. We're actually halfway to that all-time high. So currently we need over $100 billion more, and we could get to that $3.84 all-time high that we had seen back in 2020 and 2021. The market cap has suppressed over $100 billion. So that is going to be something that you do have to take a look at, as the $100 billion market cap was a target on XRP. And whenever you start to kind of see it break above that, that's when you're starting to see a lot more volatility and volume coming in. Within the last 4 hours, we've kind of been on that bull run, so expect that you do see some pullbacks like this. That'll have some red candles coming along with it. That could be potentially 3 to 5% drops. If you take a look at the 1 day chart too, you can see that it has been bullish for quite a while. It's been bullish for over 20 days now straight. So every day has pretty much been a bullish day, besides 1 day whenever it had dropped right around 4 to 5%. So let's just go ahead and let's back out the chart here. So if we do back out the chart, you can kind of see that XRP's been in this level before, and you can even see it better on the week here. If you do take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we're starting to hit some of these highs that we had previously. So this was one of the main reasons I wanted you to watch until the end. As you can tell, the high of that candlestick was right around that $1.96. That is exactly where we are here. That's where we're kind of seeing some movement here, where we're starting to see that breakout period. But with this breakout period, we need to break above this $1.96 so we don't continue that trend. This is going to be the 3rd time that XRP has kind of hit this level within a long time. You can see that it did here, and it dropped over 80% just within 91 days. 80% drop completely where we are, and it lost right around $80 billion very, very quickly. And you can see it here whenever it dropped right around another 66% drop. And right here is whenever you see that double top. That double top is going to be this M shape, as you can see it kind of does here. And that is something that you have to take a look at, as when these coins can go up, they can also go down. With the break of the trend on XRP, that was a key resistance here on the weekly chart that it was going to be bullish. You can see here we're getting closer to that $1.96. We do need to break above that $1.96, and if we do, I think we're going to retest $2.50, going up to around the 264 mark coming on XRP. I am still very bullish on XRP. I do think that if the overall market starts to kind of rise along with it, we're going to break above that $2 range. That $2 range is currently a target, but that 250 is going to happen if we continue to kind of break this same trend, going to around that 220, going up to that 263 range as I mentioned earlier. Remember, those are going to be some key factors to look at along with resistance and supports. So make sure you guys do follow for more, hit that like button and subscribe, join that Patreon.